Hi everyone, I'm Paddy Donnelly and I'm the author and illustrator of Fox and Son Tailors, which is one of the £1, €1.50 books for World Book Day 2025. And if you've read this book, here are my 5 top recommendations for books to check out next. And the first one also involves a fox, and it is The Terribly Friendly Fox. And it's by Susanna Lloyd and Ellie Snowden. And this fox is a vegetarian and is terribly friendly and gets invited to a dinner party, and suspiciously, on each page, some of the guests start disappearing. But it couldn't possibly be anything to do with the fox because he's a terribly friendly fox, and definitely wouldn't eat them. So my next book that I recommend is this one, The Artist by Ed Veer, which is a beautiful book all about creativity and making mistakes, and it's a really, really beautiful tale and well worth checking out, and it is just beautiful to look at. And my next one is The Wilderness by Steve McCarthy. This one is a stunning picture book and involves a little boy called October who is afraid of going out into the wilderness, and it's all about getting out there into the magic of nature, and it's really, really good, well worth checking out. Another one is by the legendary Quentin Blake. This is The Zagazoo, which is about parents who get a little baby, and as the story goes on, the baby kind of transforms into all of these different things, elephants and warthogs and dragons, and it's a really beautiful book and one of my favorites. And my last recommendation, if you like Fox and Son Tailors, you should check out one of my other books, The Golden Hare. And in this story, Mira and her grandfather, they go in search of the magical golden hare, this mythical creature, and it's a journey about the wonder of nature, and they go out and search, and they learn a lot of things about all different types of creatures and all of the magic nature that you can see even in your own back garden, or if you go to the beach or in the park, because there are a lot of magical things out there to be spotted if you just open your eyes. So those are my 5 recommendations for books to check out next. So I hope you enjoy them.